Hey everyone, PDM Naseem here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we will be cooking this new dish called squid vadai. It's a South Indian dish made by only very few people because this is a really rare recipe. Yeah, that's all the spices we are going to do. I'll explain it in about a bit. So I will be doing more of these type of videos like every month, I guess. Yeah, just stay tuned, more of these will come. So I will be only talking about this. My mom will be the one who is preparing this. So these are the spices, you see, arranged perfectly. Yeah, so here are the ingredients over here. You can see that's the chopped squid, but later you have to grind it. Okay, let's start. First you need salt. Yeah, salt is very important first. Yeah, you gotta have salt on you. You need pepper. That's 1 teaspoon pepper. That's Kashmiri chili powder. That's half teaspoon, by the way. And this is what's that? Ginger and garlic paste. This is turmeric, half teaspoon. This is coriander powder, half teaspoon, and this is cumin powder, half teaspoon. That is just like 1/4 of a teaspoon. I have 2 onions over there. They're chopped. They're 2 whole onions, and that is squid. Later you have to grind it, like I said. And here is like the half a coconut that's grinded. And I have 1 egg and a little bit of curry leaves. That's it. Okay, so we are going to grind it now. Grind, or whatever you call this. Not really a professional. It's complete. We have that paste, squid paste, I guess that's what you call it. And now we have to add all these spices. Yeah. Okay, now we are adding the egg. Juicy egg. And next we have to add that all the spices which I mentioned earlier. Oh god. Ping. And now onion. Okay, now we are going to add the coconut, powdered. And then finally we have the curry leaves. We gotta fry this, remember, we have to fry this. Okay, the pepper is making me sneeze. Okay, now we gotta mix it all, nice and real. What am I saying? Nice and soft. Mix it good. We gotta heat the pan now. Yeah. And now add the coconut oil. You gotta wait till it's you have to wait till the coconut oil is all heated up. Before you put it, it should be all like this, It should be like this, and you have to paste it, you have to make it flat like this, You have to make it like this, or any shape you like, but this is the best one. Put it. That's nice to see. Boiling in oil. You've got to keep it in the sim, you see. You have to reduce it to those medium flames, or else it will burn off and the interior won't cook. It won't be cooked. You've got to let it cook for at least 10 minutes. Then it would be that's the best time if you're keeping it on sim, medium flames. And now you have to flip it after 5 minutes, or else one side would be burnt so badly, and that is not good. Onion. 10 minutes later, it's in this color. Yeah. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. It's we have to cook more, but this is how it's supposed to look like after you fry it. So guys, that's how it's supposed to look like. It's complete. I will taste it in about a minute. Okay guys, so I'm going to taste it. I have sat down because this thing is not visible. I'm too tall. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look like. brownish. Not gonna lie, it's good. And I can feel the pepper, like, you know. Good for people who like spicy, you know. Not gonna lie, it's pretty good, not gonna lie. So guys, you should try this at home. If you really did enjoy this video, please hit like button and share this if you want to share this recipe and help others, because this is a really rare recipe. Nobody else knows this. I mean, a few people know this. It's a South Indian dish. And hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next video. And eat tasty and eat healthy, and I'll see you next video. Bye.